State-owned enterprises minister Erick Thohir oversaw the establishment of two state electricity company, Orapel and Subholdings, to focus on developing generation and transmission as the company's core. Thohir delivered the message in a press conference on Wednesday morning, along with state-owned enterprises Deputy Minister Pahala Nugraha Mansuri and State Electricity Company CEO Darmawan Prasojo. The retail subholding will focus on services such as electricity consumption, while the power subholding will focus on energy sources such as coal, solar, geothermal, and other potential renewable energy. Thohir highlighted that this transformation does not mean that the government aims to liberalize electricity, but to ensure enough supplies for the country. Thohir hopes that in the near future, Indonesia could use conscious renewable energy in providing electricity throughout the nation.
Kita juga memastikan tadi yang namanya penciptaan listriknya yang berasal apakah dari fosil ataupun dari sumber-sumber terbarukan seperti angin, matahari, air, dan geothermal itu juga sebuah hal yang memang harus menjadi roadmap yang bisa dikonkretkan sesuai dengan agenda besar 2060 emisi nol.
Yes, Aceh National Electricity Company, as announced today by the Minister of State-Owned Enterprise, Erick Thohir, will have its own holdings and subholdings. So these holdings and subholdings will be divided into two sectors. The first one focus on power plant, as you mentioned before, and the second one will focus more in supplying public with electricity. So currently, the company is reviewing its organization structure and human resources from legal to its operation. So it's because all has to be done to make sure that the supply chain becomes more effective. And also, they have formed the project management officers, which will given a report every 2 weeks. And since this change requires a huge transformation, they mentioned that they will need to look for alternative funds, such as corporate action in the capital market. And also, why this plan is important, why this change is important, it's because the government will focus more on renewable energy and also the digitalization. And also, they need to make sure that the electricity subsidy will targeted to the right group of people. And here is the statement from the President Director of National Electricity Company, Darmawan Prasojo, for more details regarding this plan.
Arahan dari Pak Menteri adalah kami dari PLN melakukan review secara menyeluruh mengenai rantai pasok batu bara. Arahan beliau adalah bagaimana rantai pasok yang saat ini teridentifikasi, terfragmentasi, bisnis kompleks yang sangat kompleks, yang panjang, berbelit-belit, disederhanakan. Di mana ada titik lemah.
The National Electricity Company is planning to finalize the holding legal and operation system by the end of this year. However, 6 months before that, they will have the virtual holding, while the whole transformation of this change itself, the subholdings and holdings, will take place in 2025. Back to the studio.
Andira Putri, thank you very much for your report. A virtual holding for national electricity is set to be established before the end of this year, while the full transformation will take place in 3 years. Thank you, Andira Putri. Stay safe and healthy.